Maybe. I'll go swimming, work, anything.
Yeah. This one nice. Sure, it's not a mistake or mistake, so it's not. I follow it.
This is the crazy girl here. Craziest girl on town. They're doing their project.
He's doing a documentary on wild food. No, he's doing.
These are the Girl Scouts in Childing Learning Center. And this is the girl who does not belong here, but somehow we just accepted her. She belongs to the zoo. See, she's wearing green. She belongs wherever except here. She's wearing green because she feels like she belongs with us, but actually she doesn't belong here. She's just a filler. She's laughing as if it's funny, although it's really not. She's trying to emote. See, that's her, that's her. Yeah, that one, that one. That one, the chick one. They're all laughing at her because she's so funny. She's trying to be serious now. See, that's her face when she's trying to be serious. As if she can really be serious. Yeah. Endangered Jerica. Don't worry, I'll place there. No animal is harmed while shooting the video. As if she had a feeling. I did not move. I'm not moving anywhere. I'm just here. I'm not crossing anything. And that's Jerica again. And that's the birthday girl, Joan. Say hi, Joan. She is now 30 years old. That's why. She's 40-year-old. See? That's her, that's her. Yeah. And that's Eng Eng. She's the one who bought the board thingy. And this is, you know, this is, hey, your hair. Yeah, that's Unset. And that's Gretchen. And that's Mimi. Say hi, Mimi. Yeah, that's Gretchen. And that's Mimi.
You just said hi.
And that's, okay, never mind.
Oh my god.
And that's again Jerica.
Everybody loves Jerica.